胶西鸟大人居酒屋体验烤香菇2串多汁柔软，明太子山药一份爽脆，搭配明太子沙拉甜口滋味。香松甜不辣，甜不辣还保有非常好吃，再搭配日本香松，吃起来也是甜而软 Q。盐烤樱桃鸭葱串2串椒盐伊比利猪肋串2串，必须称赞烤工了的，炭香味十足，而且都还有肉汁。炙烧起司风情马铃薯非常的脆口，上面的起司浓郁，很搭。盐烤肥肠2串，肥肠吃起来味道很香，而且没有肠臭味。柠檬可尔必斯普通，解渴用的推荐给大家咯。
Heading to a haunted house in the dead of night. Are you testing your courage or begging for deaths? She used to run a YouTube channel with her bestie, becoming one of the most famous hot influencers out there. But one snowy night, she insisted they hike into the mountains. Her bestie didn't make it back alive while she was rescued, only to realize she had lost all memory of why they went into the mountains in the first place. Then Agnew came to her with an eerie offer. If you do that in a haunted house where ghosts roam, you'll recover a small piece of your memory. And so, she began committing impure acts in the most unclean places. But is recovering those memories really a good thing? Every wish comes with a price.